This is pretty much the home screen of the application. At the top option here, you pretty much have the servers which you can choose from. You have Germany, Netherlands, Finland, all these 3 servers here. Nothing much, and you have the premium server section, which pretty much means you're going to need a subscription to use these servers. So I do recommend just selecting whichever servers you want. Nothing much, they're all the same speed and so forth, so nothing much. So once you have selected the server that you want to use, pretty much just tap on this option here. So once you have selected that, it will pretty much load up an ad. Once the ad is finished, we'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, and it will be connected in no time. As you can see here, they only will give you 2 hours of connection time. And if you want pretty much a unlimited connection time, you'll have to get your subscription. So you can tap on the premium option at top here. As you can see here, pretty much all the servers that are, not all the servers are pretty much what you'll be getting once you do get their subscription. And if you do want to enable the free trial option, you can tap on this here, and it will enable the 3 days free trial, which you can get their subscription and pretty much test out their premium servers. So this VPN is pretty much rather decent speed. So just let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this VPN application here. And yeah, if you have any problem or anything with the VPN application, let me know as well, see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.